there guys, my name is Rommie and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fluffy apple cake recipe using simple ingredients which you can easily find in your kitchen. So let's get started. First of all, add 150 grams of sugar in a bowl and 2 eggs, then mix them together until the sugar is well melted. I recommend using an electric mixer in order to obtain a fluffy mixture. Next, add 100 grams soft butter and mix it well. Now it's time for adding 250 grams flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons baking soda. Mix everything together, making sure no clumps are forming. My mixture was a bit dry, so I added half of the milk. That's about 50 milliliters. In total, we are going to use 100 milliliters of milk. Here I added the rest of the milk, half teaspoon almond extract and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. I switched to a spatula because it made combining ingredients easier. At this point, the mixture has to be fluffy, sticky and softer than usual dough, but not soft enough to be runny. Now it's time for preparing the apple filling. I used 2 red apples, but you can use whatever apples you prefer. Just peel them and then slice them into small cubes. Put the apples in a container, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of sugar, then mix them together. Add the apples to the mixture and combine everything with a spatula. Cover the bottom of a baking pan with baking paper. A nice trick is to crinkle the paper a bit, which will make it much easier to place in the tray. Then add the mixture to the pan and level it with a spatula, making sure it's uniform. Sprinkle about half a teaspoon of cinnamon on top and it's ready for baking. Just put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and wait for about 45 minutes. And our cake is done! We're gonna have to wait for it to cool down before we can cut it, but look how beautiful it looks already. I'm putting some wet cloths around it, which will make it easier to separate it from the tray, and also it will help it cool down faster. The cake is cooled down now and it's ready for cutting. This is so exciting! Look how fluffy it is! The flavors combine so well and it's so soft and fluffy and so easy to make. I would eat this every day. You can also eat it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on the side, but I sadly didn't have any. But it's still delicious the way it is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this recipe. Let me know if you tried it. And also leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay creative. Bye!